I've been working all morning and I can't wait to get there and see. Oh. Can you see? So that's the huge beech tree that's in front of the house. And that guy is working on my favourite horse chestnut tree. And then this one, I know he's taking it down.
There's coming off it.
Yeah, because it's very close.
It'll be 5 metres off height and 2.5 metres off.
And then do these come in?
This will be all coming in 2.5 metres.
But it'll still keep a shape?
Still keep a shape, only maybe a lot smaller version.
Okay.
You'll lose a bit of the droopiness here at the bottom,
but like so it'll just take its time and it'll come back to that.
It will come back.
And then
we're a cottage on the hill, white walls catching the morning chill, small panes, warped glass, hold the faces of the past. Roses round the door-drop cottage, every bloom remembers every name. Fresh paint on the walls, new laughter in the home, but the old heart beats the same. Yeah, the old heart beats the same. New roof, old key, same ash tree, same creek breeze. Floorboards creak, your granddad's tune, dust dancing in the afternoon.
okay, let's have a look at the chestnut. Yeah, so all of this is gone. It used to come right down and touch the ground almost. That branch used to come all the way out past here. They took this one down by 3 metres off the top and 3 metres off the side. Oh, this tree's gone. Do you remember the plum tree that had blown over? Yeah, you could see there was no fixing that. There was very little of it still connected to a live root. But look at a tree. It might look a bit rough around the edges till it grows out. It's a new haircut, but that's a good job. That's a good job. back for you because you obviously are going to be weird. A good look at what we actually got done. You can really see how close that beech tree at the road is to the cottage, and that was taken down by 3 meters. Here you can see the top of the chestnut tree. That was taken down by 5 meters. Now these trees have been at Rock Cottage for generations, but every time there was a storm, I was so nervous. They've got very tall. They hadn't a lot of maintenance over the years, so we got the professionals in to take them down at the top, take them in at the sides, open them up through the branches so that the wind can come in and through. When they were here, we also got them to take out the weed trees down between the road and the barn. They poisoned the stumps to stop any regrowth, and then they cut up the trees that had fallen in the last storm. So, like 10 out of 10, I thought it was very good. But if you'd like to know who did it or how much they charged, you can leave a comment. And look, when I'm here and chatting to you anyway, like thanks so much for watching all the way to the end if you're still here. And yeah, we always appreciate a subscribe or a like, or ring the bell, or leave a comment, or just even read the description. All these things help. Thanks again.